first of all, the government of India has started to revise it or not, we don't know. Because there is no way in which the public information has been conveyed to us. So there is no way to know whether the government, if the government of India is doing it, it must doing it secretly and privately, because I have myself tried to get information from the Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of External Affairs, who said he is helpless, he cannot give it because it's confidential. So what is confidential about something which is public information and public? Secondly, the issue of investment treaty arbitration is becoming worse by the day, because even Australia, the White Industries company is an Australian company. Australia has walked out of investment treaty arbitration being decided by its own country by a process of in the context of Trans-Pacific Partnership case, where United States is the investor in Australia. So they don't want it. Australia is facing actually serious litigation. Philip Morris, for example, let me give you one or two examples of this. In India itself first, the Children's Fund is a hedge fund in the United Kingdom. They made an investment in India of 1% shareholding in the Coal India Limited. Now they say, now what has happened, the government of India has framed a regulation. The regulation is that they say that domestic coal in India must be sold to domestic consumers at a reduced rate so far as the electricity consumers, so far as they are electricity consumers, electricity manufacturers. So electricity manufacturers, so that the public gets electricity at a reasonable rate. Otherwise, if your cost is to be recovered, you will naturally have to charge higher prices. So they say that this constitutes a huge amount of loss to them, because they have, so India is expected not to make even such a regulation by which their interest is prohibited. Otherwise they say, if you make such a regulation, then we are affected, therefore you must not make such a regulation. Similarly, in Australia's case, for example, they want to make, they are against smoking. So they do not allow branding of the smoking. So for example, they say that the branding, it will be unbranded packets, in that the cigarettes must be sold in unbranded packets. So that so the person who, you can only distinguish yourself by saying Marlboro will be therefore sold because it's a special kind of cigarette. Therefore because of marketing. So marketing is not permitted there. So it's, in order to dissuade people from buying, they say that there must be no marking. That law was challenged on the ground by Philip Morris, which is a manufacturer of Marlboro, for example, and one of the largest of the world's cigarette companies in the United States, in Hong Kong and in Australia, saying that this is not permissible because you cannot make such a regulation because it affects our investment. And that investment was not, and the question therefore is, and the huge case is pending in Hong Kong High Court for that reason. So therefore, investment arbitrations, to what extent the arbitration should be acceptable. Therefore, Australia has chosen to walk out. But the question is, how long can you walk out? There are so many, and the third thing is about the arbitrators themselves. Mostly the commercial arbitrators are appointed as the arbitrators in the investment arbitration also, because there are no arbitrators in the world. International arbitrators are only, it's a kind of a club, so that people who are in the club, they want the others to not come, and they want to continue in it. And therefore the result is the people who know the public law aspect is not taken properly care account. What can India do about it? India must be aware of it. First of all, it must be greater awareness, so the suggestions will come. The model BIT of India, they have made a model BIT. India has made a model BIT just as US has made a model BIT. We have not reserved to ourselves a right to make the law that domestic laws will be applicable equally to, for example, to the foreigners. So whatever our domestic chaps suffer, they must also suffer. If you have got a domestic, if you are working in India, making investment, whatever happens applies to the domestic people will also apply to you. That position is not clear. The position is not made. Its proposition is made in the US laws, but not here.